Welcome, I'm Viktor Shavlak. I'm a dermatologist and aesthetic medicine practitioner. I tell you my experience, no single treatment can do everything for you. And don't trust anyone who says that their product can. For example, there are no products that improve skin quality and correct facial volumes at the same time perfectly. In this case, I always use dermal filler and non-injectable dermal stimulator PRX-T33 in one session. By combining multiple therapies and products, we benefit from each one, but always need to think about the safety profile. Before we start, you'll need to know about the basic PRX-T33 technique. So, if you want to catch up with that, go and find my basic tutorial video. Let's go! PRX-T33 is a chemical dermal stimulator that initiates the rejuvenation process. It triggers the skin growth factors and their receptors, improves fibroblast proliferation, collagen and extracellular matrix restoration. Moreover, the edema created by PRX-T33 reduces the risk of bruising when you inject fillers and also has an immediate effect on skin tone and texture, so that the patient leaves the office with a nice glow and volume. These are the things you will need: P solution, PRX-T33, cannula, dry skin cream, smoothing fluid, nitrile gloves, syringe, volumetric filler for Midface, blunt cannula. Make sure you use nitrile gloves and not the latex ones. Before you begin, get to know your patient's skin. See that there are no signs of dermatitis or other lesions that may contraindicate the treatment. Start by preparing the skin with P solution. Apply 3 layers of PRX-T33 all over the face with correct amount of pressure. Almost immediately, PRX-T33 will make the skin plumper and tighter. After the application of Wyco dry skin cream, proceed with filler injection. I prefer using blunt cannulas, as you can treat the whole facial area from single entry point and the risk of vascular occlusion with the gel is absent. If my patient is sensitive, sometimes I inject a bit of lidocaine 2% in the insertion point. This brings more comfort to my client. Finishing the injection, apply Wyco dry skin cream and don't forget to recommend the right home care. You may book your next PRX-T33 session already after a week. Today we've learned the advantages of combining PRX-T33 with Midface fillers, how to combine the two treatments, the right home care. Want more or are interested in other indications? Stay tuned for more combined protocols.